Hi all, welcome to Easy Cooking. Today I am going to show how to make chicken paratha. This video is mainly concentrating on how I make the chicken stuffing and how I make a chicken paratha. The rest of it is like you can see the previous videos for further more clarifications. This particular part, what I'm making a chapati dough or the paratha dough. I took a wheat, a flour and a spoon of salt, mix it with water to make the dough. I just make a rough dough, close it with a lid and leave it for some time and make it into a good quantity of rounds. I took a chicken breast and I minced the chicken with my hand. This is the one I'm making how the minced chicken masala I have made. If you need a more clarity or more clarification, just please go and check the previous videos. I'll give in the description as well. Here I'm adding the all masalas with ginger garlic paste, salt and turmeric powder. I've added ginger garlic paste mainly after the minced chicken add into the pan. The reason is ginger garlic paste, if you add directly, it just splattered out. Once the chicken masalas are made, I boil the tapioca. So that particular starch I'm mixing with the chicken masala. You can add one potato. I have tapioca, so I have just mixed it with the tapioca starch. You just make it mashed chicken masala and the tapioca. Make it into the round as much big how you make it for the chapati dough. The quantity of round should be the same. Just keep it aside the stuffed chicken. If you are not adding starch, it will be like a separate thing. So it's better to add potato or a tapioca starch. Even you can add sweet potato, but it won't taste good. This particular part I'm going to show how I'm going to stuff the chicken round into the chapati dough. Just make the rounds not very, just have a look how I'm just folding it. And try to close nicely and take the extra part outside. The reason behind is the extra things makes the dough very thick and the paratha won't be looking good. The center of the paratha will be more doughy compared to the side things. So better to take the extra out. And once you make a round, you can keep it in the pan. Let it get cooked and turn it over. Put the ghee over it. Just do this process again and again. I'm going to show you how I'm stuffing the chicken masalas into the chapati dough. Just have a look around. If you try again and again, you will get it done. But make sure try to get that extra dough outside. The reason is extra chicken chapati dough makes the paratha very thick. It won't be tasting much good. In this particular pot, little bit was left out, so I'm just managing to close it with my hand. Just try to stick with the chapati dough. It will be great. In the kadai, let the paratha cook. Once you feel like the beneath the part is cooked, just turn it over. Just dressed with ghee. Oil won't be that good. It's better to put it with ghee so that it tastes yummy as well as it will be like very soft rather than getting crispy. This is my way of making chicken paratha. Just have a look around and try to make the stuffings again and again so that you will get it done. This is again, I'm just showing how I'm making. If you're not interested, you can skip the video. And this is like, I just want to show you how I'm making the chicken stuff thing into the chapati dough. I can show this chapati dough very closely that I'm not making a very slight chapati. It is like little bit thicker. That's the reason you can hold the chicken chunks. Just try, it's like exactly closing, and try to extend the chapati dough as it is elastic as all we know. So you try to extend the elasticity and try to take the extra dough outside. Thank you for watching the video. Hope you like this video. See you in another video. If you feel it's getting sticky, just keep dusting more with more powder, wheat flour. You will feel like it won't stick and you feel it will be the best stuffing. You can have it with raita, you can have it with curd, or you can have it with pickle. As we have added more masalas, we no need a pickle. You can have it with raita, butter and curd. Just dress it with ghee. It tastes very yummy and soft. It won't be crispy. Soft. Yummy chicken paratha is ready. Thank you for watching the video. Bye.